This video is for a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment located in Santa Monica, California. It's in an A+ location, only about 3 blocks from the beach, very close to Main Street, where there are lots of shops, restaurants, and bars. It has real hardwood flooring and a large private balcony with nice views, full kitchen with appliances included, very good natural light, plenty of space here in the living room, and then you have the sliding glass door that goes out onto that large private balcony. You have clear ocean views from the bedroom. The bedroom's over here, and it's unique because you have front and rear entrances to this unit. So you have a door there with a lock, of course, and that takes you out into the courtyard area. So you could come in this way if you'd like, and there's the courtyard with the pool. And then if you look this direction, you might not be able to see it well on this camera, but that is the ocean over there, and it's just crystal clear views from this bedroom. So every morning you can wake up and look out into the ocean. Plenty of closet space here. Sliding doors, sliding mirror doors here in the bedroom. Great light in here, and lots of bonus storage space here in the hallway. And finally, the full bath with nice tile flooring, tub, and shower. The unit has 1 car reserved parking, and we make it easy for you to view this apartment in person. Simply fill out the request viewing box located on this page, type in your full name, your email address, and your phone number, and click send, and you'll immediately receive an email response from us with the property address and simple viewing instructions. We hope you like it.